Intermediate English, Lesson 1. Do, for emphasis. Listen to 4 conversations using do for emphasis. Students can take the listening quiz at the link below. Now, let's begin the lesson.
Conversation 1.
Do you like sports?
No, but I do like golf.
Golf?
You don't like golf?
I did like it when I was younger, but not now.
Oh, I love it. Why don't you like it anymore?
It's just too expensive.
True, it does cost a lot to play. Conversation 2.
Do you cook much?
I do cook a lot.
What do you cook?
Just easy stuff like pasta dishes. And you?
I don't cook much. I do cook breakfast, though.
Really? I never cook breakfast. My husband does make me pancakes sometimes, though. Conversation 3.
Do you watch much TV?
I do watch a lot of TV.
What do you watch?
I watch dramas. And you?
I rarely watch TV. I do watch the news sometimes, though.
How depressing. The news always makes me feel sad.
Yeah, it does get depressing sometimes.
Conversation 4.
Do you have any kids?
I don't. And you?
I do have kids, but they are all grown now.
Do they live near you?
They did live near me, but they moved.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too. They do still visit a lot, though.
Did you see them over the holidays?
I did see them. We had a really nice time together.
Now let's review the grammar. Watch this short 1-minute tutorial explaining how to use do for emphasis in English.
Do for emphasis. In English, the words do, does, and did can add emphasis to a verb. We often use do for emphasis after a question. For example, do you like to cook? I do like to cook. Or, does your father speak Spanish? He does speak Spanish. Or, did you finish the report? I did finish the report. Notice that the word is not needed. It just adds emphasis. For example, in the following question, do you live in town? There are 2 ways to answer. Yes, I live in town. Or, I do live in town. Both answers have the same meaning. The words do, does, and did just add emphasis to the statement.
Thanks for listening. Click the link below to take the quiz and download the free worksheet and book for this lesson. Students and teachers can get hundreds of more free listening lessons at English Listening Lesson Library online.